Hi, welcome. We want to make this short video for the Innovation Awards of Alstom 2015 to explain our innovation. I think it's easier to understand our innovation if we can show this visually. So we made this small mock-up, let's say, of a depot in the UK, which is in this case Golders Green in London, with the warehouse we have, and then we have we are interfacing with Villeurbanne services in France. So what we have is, we have a train that comes in this case it's a metro that comes in with a number of parts on the train. These parts can be serialized or they can be not serialized in the system, so it depends. In our case they are serialized. So what happens is we do corrective and preventive maintenance. In this case we have a corrective maintenance to do because we have a fault on a part. For example, on the agat control. The agat control comes off, is booked into broken stock. So this is an SAP operation, booked in broken stock. What we do then is we take a good part from good stock, which we issue back to the train, and so the train can leave into service. Then a whole process starts for the repair process. What happens is we open a demand for return of material, RMR, which is then sent by email to Villeurbanne. Villeurbanne accepts it, then sends the approval back by RMA with a barcode sticker, which we have to stick on the outside of the carton. This part is going to go in. So this part goes into a carton. We put the sticker on there, and it is sent to Villeurbanne, where the part is going to be repaired. At the moment the part is being repaired, the part is being sent back to our stock, and it goes into good stock where it awaits till it is dispatched to a train again. Now, in order to send the part back, not only do we need the RMA, but we also need to issue a PO, and then we have to receive the part against the same PO. The innovation we want to bring, although some small experiments have been done, is we want to tag each part with an RFID. Okay? And so what we want to do is this part, instead of just having it like that, we want to take an RFID tag. We stick this RFID tag on there, like this. Okay? And this is what we want to do with all parts that we have installed. So we just stick the RFID tag in. The advantage of the RFID tag, the advantages are enormous. One, we have full traceability. So if we put scanners in the depots, in the warehouse, at the repair station, everywhere this part is passing, we have a traceability. It's updated within 10 minutes. So within 10 minutes we know exactly where the part goes. A second advantage is that if we interface correctly with SAP, we can automate a number of operations in SAP, which allow us to go one, much faster, make less mistakes, and we would save a lot of money because we need less manpower to do interventions. So we can, for example, put a gate in good stock, and when the part comes back and it passes the gate, automatically the gate will have, or the RFID scanner that is installed at the gate will automatically put this part into good stock when it comes back, and will receive it against the right PO. So the advantages are enormous. Now, in a first phase we want to do this between Golders Green and Villeurbanne. Okay, so why Golders Green? Because it's limited operation. We have 7 equipment on the train that go to Villeurbanne. We have some reliability issues on those, so it would be an enormous advantage to start with those. But obviously, once it's put into place and we can prove how much money we actually save in reality, just not by a business case, but in reality, then we can easily extend it over the rest of the fleet in the UK, or we can extend it over other repair companies, so external suppliers for Golders Green, or we can even decide within Alstom to expand this over different Alstom units. Now, we have tried, in order to make this beneficial, we have tried to make a team with a lot of parties being involved. So from the UK we have people involved, obviously from Golders Green, but even quality staff as well. And then we have in central a person, supply chain in Paris, a central person involved in this, and obviously there's going to be team players from Villeurbanne. So we're trying to make this a good case for the whole of Alstom. I hope this will be a successful idea. Thank you.